Hey folks, so here we are. We're trying to fix a problem with my windshield wiper sprayer. It no longer works, and so I'm getting a current. When I pull it here, it's about 11.8, so that's good. These motors look shot. So this is the rear, this is the motor for the rear wiper. This is the motor for the front wiper. Obviously these things have seen better days, so for safety I need to get this back. Here is the reservoir that holds the fluid, and these things actually they just press in here, and I just pulled them out. So I'm going to find these parts. I think it's the same motor, maybe. So anyway, that's the task. The way to get to this, I just jacked up the front, got the wheel off because it's a lot easier to get to it. And then there's this little piece here, just held in with some body clips and just pop those out. So, one warning: when you do pull this out, you're going to lose all your fluid. It's going to dump all over the place and make a bit of a mess. So be more prepared than I was. All right, so I'm going to get some new motors. That is a rough looking motor. Wow. All right, that's our job. All right, so I have the new rear pump on, I got the hose attached. The connector here looks a little rough, so I'm just going to spray some contact cleaner in there just to clean it up a little bit. Do what we can, right? All right, so our front washer pump came in much better shape. So we have our washer motor here. We got a new hardware, and we got a new gasket seal, which is great. Let's get the old gasket out. It's our old seal. Here's our new seal. All right, that's all in there. So we're just going to pull this guy out. So the black wire is going to go here, red wire here, and then our plug is just going to go in the existing. Okay, so that looks good. So now we'll give this little test. Squealing, so I think we're good. So our next order of business now is to just put these guys back in. So we're going to put this guy to the rear and the top here. Seat it in there, push that out of the way, and then we'll grab this guy, put him back in here. All right, one seems to be in. This one seems to be seated. Let's add some fluid and see if I have any success. Okay, nice and tidy. That works. All right, folks, the rear one works also. You can see there is fluid on it. This has never worked, so I'm excited